Promo Pros Community Exclusive Event Period 2024.1.18 Zijaru Hamal 2024-1-21 Zero Hamal UTC Event Rules. Register with a KOL referral link. During the event period, to register using the special referral link provided by the KOL. Complete KYC verification. Successfully complete the KYC verification process to earn 5 Doge. Bonus reward. The first 10 users to register and complete KYC will receive an additional 5 Doge. Important, only the first 50 users can claim this reward. Availability is on a first-come, first-served basis. Eligibility and conditions. This event is exclusively for new users who register using the referral code XTBONUS. Rewards will be distributed based on the order of KYC completion. Users completing KYC earlier will receive rewards first. Rewards will be credited to the user's XT accounts within 7 business days after the event concludes. Anti-fraud measures. Any fraudulent activity, including but not limited to bulk registrations, fake IP addresses, other cheating methods will result in the immediate cancellation of eligibility for rewards. XT will strictly enforce this policy to maintain a fair event. XT's rights. XT reserves the right to interpret, modify, or cancel this event at its discretion. For any questions or assistance, please contact XT's online support. Even if this event ends, you can still register an account and use the referral code XTBONUS to receive great rewards. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to earn Doge. Act fast to secure your rewards.